Alright guys, it is Monday, I think the 27th, I believe, of April. I could be wrong, but our 8 pallets. Yeah, 5. There should be some on the other side too.
Okay.
Oh, we got our material here, so we're gonna.
Seems like a tall truck. It seemed tall.
You want me to? I got the skid over here.
It's up to you.
Yeah.
You want to do that? Right? Do that.
Yeah. It's easier that way.
Okay.
Okay. I'll just use our skid loader. There's a great.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes
All right, guys. So we got our.
Okay, was this all this block here's extra? Get this out of here.
Yeah. You want to get that out of there? Just set it back onto the pallet. All right, you guys. We got our borders. Three. Makes sense. Okay. No, I don't think.
No. We just had some along here. Hold up over there.
That should
Out those.
Yeah. So, let me see. So whatever the length of this, yeah, just make sure. got all our cuts done, and now we are going to put the edging on.
I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
Alright guys, so there it is. Just need to sprinkle, or you just need to hose it down a little bit. You don't have to, you don't want to drench it, or else water will just fill up in those cracks, and it's, so there it is. Now we gotta bring some river rock, clean that up a little bit, backfill there with topsoil, grade it, seed it, and we got the sides already filled up with topsoil. So yeah, and then we actually cemented. We have a edging here on this edge, but then right from that point on, it's all cement in, so the everything holds in. So, what you think, Emily?
Good.
Looks good. Looks good to me. Looks real good. Yeah. Yep. There it is, guys. So. Alright, guys. So we are done for today. We got this all done. As you can see, it's a little dusty yet. What we're going to do is we're going to seal it so it gives that shine on there. And then I still got to bring some river rock, freshen that up for her. We're going to seed that. And yeah, this thing is looking good, guys. Looking good. So we're done with that. So Emily's putting stuff away. And we got all of our material here already. The truck came, as you guys probably saw. And now we are digging the trenches, you guys. We almost got a private, we almost hit a private gas line that ran from the house, goes up to the garage. They don't actually mark the private gas line to that, so we found it with the excavator, but we didn't damage it, luckily. So make sure that was my fault. I should have made sure that I knew there was gas going in there. I should have found out where that gas line was in the first place. So make sure you guys don't do that. We got the trenches dug out here, you guys, and we're building our first base already of the wall. So there's going to be like a half moon wall here on this way. So that's what we've been doing. So it's been a long day, guys. As you can see, we got all the material here. So we still gotta get these concrete out eventually when we work down this way. All the materials are here. So I'm gonna go help Emily clean up now. Man, oh, I gotta go look at a few more projects, you guys, today. I got some bids I gotta do yet, designs. I've been busy for the last, I don't know, 2 weeks since we've been back at it. Alright, figure that out, Emily?
No.
Okay, so
I didn't attempt to
yeah,
figure it
go
out.
ahead, right there, that's locked already.
Okay.
And pull this, push that down. Yep, pull that down.
This whole thing,
yep, that
like
whole
as
thing,
if I
yep.
was gonna saw?
And then push that in. There you go. Yep, and then
And now it's just like a wheelbarrow?
Yep.
Okay.
Take it in. That's it.